Oh boy, so that's what it feels like to wake up to an alarm clock. I haven't done that in a very long time, but only once in a while to catch a flight. That is it. When I used to have a job, that was my lifestyle, but that was about 12 years ago or something like that. I'm just not used to this. Oh my goodness. So, time to make the donuts, or something much better, taste-wise and certainly more medicinal. I'm going to make a superfood shake before I catch my limo to the airport. I'm going to Las Vegas, then Southern California, then Mexico. A cruise will be part of it during my 2-week trip. So let's get this thing going. First, some filtered water. Good morning, Kathy. Good morning, Lorna. Did you set an alarm clock just to be here with me, Kathy and Lorna, and everyone else? Did you really? I'm flattered. All right. Hi, Katie. Good morning to you, too. So, I'm going to take this here green banana. Green bananas, the unripened ones, they are starch resistant. Hello, people who care about blood sugar and A1C readings. If you want to learn more about what starch resistant is and its relationship to blood sugar and the body, just go to my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, and go to the search engine on my website and type in starch resistant. And be prepared to be amazed at what you find. It's going to open a whole new door to your world. I'm also going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to add this here, 1/4 of a sweet potato. It's raw, I didn't cook it. So you'll need a special blender to be able to handle that. And I'll put a link to the blender that I'm using that can handle that, as well as avocado pits and raspberry seeds and pineapple cores and all kinds of good things. So banana, sweet potato. I'm also going to put some chia seeds in here. Chia. The ancient Mayans used to grab a handful of these just before going on a whole day's run, so they got incredible, sustained, focused energy. Trying to decide, do I want to add a strawberry to this one? I think I do, because it's morning and I want to do something like that. I'm going to keep the greens on, because the greens have an incredible amount of nutrients. But to blend it up properly with the shake, so it's not in bits and pieces, you need the right blender for it. As well as the strawberry seeds itself, to extract all the nutrients, you need the right blender. So the blender is insanely important. And there's only 3 that I know of in the world that can handle stuff like this. So I'm going to put a link to the one that I use in the description area of this video. Okay, is that everything? No, it's not. I need the base of the shake. Whoops. So I'm using a bag of powder chocolate. It's plant-based, it's whole food. It's got over 70 superfood ingredients in it. If you want to see the shake mix that I use of these superfoods, private message me, I'll send you a link to the shake. You can check it out, see if you want to try it out. It's pretty cool. And a drop of cinnamon bark oil, just one. Like with everything else, some are much better than others. I will also provide a link to the cinnamon bark oil that I use, and some are not meant to be ingested, while some are. So that's important that you get the right stuff. It's also a superfood for the pancreas, cinnamon bark oil. It nourishes the pancreas like no other ingredient on planet Earth. I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper powder. Optional because, well, I guess all of this is optional except the superfood chocolate powder mix. But I like a lot of heat, so I add cayenne pepper. It's like a spicy Mexican raw chocolate as opposed to hot chocolate. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend this puppy up in my blender, and I'm going to do the Charleston while I wait, right out of the 1920s. It's my new rule. Always dance while the blender is going. Always. Especially when I'm on video. Let's try it out. I've never done this particular blend. It's the sweet potato. That makes it original. I've never put a sweet potato in my mix before. So let's try it out. Fuck. Damn, that's good. Goes really good with the strawberries and the banana that I put in here. And the chocolate, of course. There I go. My chocolate orgasm. I just had one on camera. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. Well, that was up close and personal now, wasn't it? Hi, Colleen. Hi, Teresa. Alright, that about concludes this video. I've got well over 100 plant-based, whole food, juicing and cooking and uncooking and smoothing episodes on my YouTube cooking channel. So check that out. All kinds of stuff. TomBerkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Take out the space, all lowercase. Feel free to share this video, because it's not just a smoothie superfoods shake that I made, but there's some really good medicinal education in here as well about plant-based whole food nutrition. So feel free to share this. You probably got friends that would enjoy it. And to see the exact superfoods shake mix that I use, private message me and I'll send you a direct link to that page. You can check it out, see if it's something you want to do. I've been doing it for a long time and I love it. Okay, time to get ready for my trip. Today I fly from Milwaukee to Las Vegas, and then from there driving across the desert a few days later to catch my cruise ship in port of San Pedro, LA County, with my friend Sheila and the Anti-Aging Getaway Group. And then we go to Mexico. The main stop is going to be Cabo San Lucas, and this is going to be an overnight stop. I've never been on a cruise where we had an overnight stop. It's going to be a 24-hour stop at this port in Cabo. I'm excited about that. And then back to LA. Then drive back across the desert to Las Vegas for another few days before I come back home. So all in all, I'll be gone for 13 days, and I'll be connected in everything I learn at these workshops that I'm going to. I'll be sharing with you guys all of my notes. I'm going to share everything I learn with you guys, and also other parts of my trip that are just interesting. I'll share with you guys. So stay connected and subscribed and notified and all that jazz. And I'll see you soon. Thank you, Emily. I will have safe travels. And good morning, Stacy. And Colleen. Alright, I gotta scoot, so bye for now. And I'll see you later. Mwah.